Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. As you can see, I scraped bloom. So what I'm going to do, I just scraped it all in the middle. I'm going to add some more. Just mix it up a little bit so it's blended. This is a green mist tint that I got. So then I'm gonna spread it out. And I did this one with mostly oranges, so I think I'm going to switch it. I didn't care for it this time, so I'm going to switch it up and add and use more purples. All right, so what I'm going to do, I have some orange and copper. I'm just going to mix my copper in with my orange. So I'm trying to use up all my paints. So it's just going to have a darker orange, that's all. All right, I'm going to put this one on the bottom. It's just copper and my oranges. A little bit of yellow. I got a couple of purples. This one is Oriental Violet by Behr. And I have some coral. And then I'll put my dark purple, which is Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Second from the top. A white. And then my black. We'll see how this goes. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, well the middle's coming back nicely. Look at that, it's pretty right there. All right. Spin this out. I think the middle is pretty good now. I like the purple on the top. Well, I think I need to tidy up. I'm quite the paint mess here. I'm liking this one. One more spin. All right, I think this is probably good enough. Very pretty. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll put the dried result at the end. All my recipes are in the description under the video. If you hit the title, you'll get a drop down. And there's a discount code in there for the Sheleeart Bloom course for 15% off. There. All right. dried result will be in the end. Have a good day. Hi everyone. Here's my tile. Dried pretty good except for the middle. I think there was a little bit too much paint left on maybe, but it was too thin, thinner than the colors, so it moved in there. You can see the cells went a little wonky, but it's not too bad. I think I'll just keep it. I like these colors. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.